How I built an online income while caring for my mom. When my mom needed full-time care, I thought my career was over. I couldn't leave her alone for hours to work a traditional job, but I found a way to earn an income from home with just a couple of hours a day, and it changed everything. Now, caring for my mother became my top priority. Doctor's appointments, daily routines, and just being present for her meant I couldn't commit to a 9-to-5 job. I needed something flexible, something that worked around my life, not the other way around. Now, that's when I found the Legacy Builder Blueprint, which is an automated online system that let me build a steady income without sacrificing my time with her. I didn't need any tech skills, and I didn't have to spend all day on my laptop. I could work while she rested, between her appointments, or even late at night on my own terms. No tech skills required, just follow the step-by-step system. A business in a box that runs on autopilot. Work from anywhere, even in the same room, while caring for a loved one. Earn daily income without the long hours. Now, I have the peace of mind knowing that I can take care of my mom while still building my future. If you're a caregiver looking for real income from home, this might be the answer you've been searching for. Now, do you want to see how it works? Drop me a comment or send me an email, or you can visit my website for all the information needed to get you started today.